Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to get a refund on Uber Eats. First, open the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Then go to your order history. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon or name and then selecting orders or order history. Find the order for which you want a refund and tap on it to open the order details. Look through the order details to ensure you are requesting a refund for the correct order. Within the order details, look for an option to request a refund. This might be labeled as Get Help or Help depending on your app version. Uber Eats will likely prompt you to select a reason for the refund. Choose the most appropriate reason from the list provided. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request. You may need to provide additional information or details about the issue. After submitting the request, wait for Uber Eats to process it. You should receive a confirmation message once the refund request has been received. Depending on your payment method, the refund may take some time to appear in your account. Check your payment method statement or transaction history periodically to see when the refund is processed. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.